David Chytraeus de Ratione Discendi, Episode 13. Semper igitur in conspectu sit gravissima, haec et ducissima sententia, arche hapanton Chytraeus perie theos, sit actionem principium et finis Deus. Therefore, igitur, always in view, in conspectu, which is masculine, singular, and ablative, a fourth declension noun, always in view, may this, that is, sit, which is a third singular, present subjunctive active from esse, it's a usive subjunctive here, being used as a command, let gravissima haec et ducissima sententia, let this very severe or very weighty and most pleasing opinion or statement, let this statement always be kept in view. Sententia here, which is the subject of sit, is modified by gravissima, a superlative adjective, by haec, this demonstrative adjective, and by ducissima, another superlative adjective. And now we receive the expression, which ought always to be kept in view. Arche, this is the nominative, the beginning, hapanton, which is neuter, plural, and genitive. It's a substantive adjective. The beginning of all things, and their end, telos, neuter, singular, and nominative, is, above all, perie. This is perie, which is from per eimi, which means to exist above something, is God, theos. Now the astute observer will notice that some of these letters look kind of off. This is first a ligature, and then I'm not sure exactly how to explain this, which looks for all the world like a mu, but is no doubt a terminal sigma. Telos here, this is a ligature for omicron sigma, like so. Here is another nu, and this is, I'm convinced, eta, arche. In any event, Chytraeus translates it for us into English, and he says, let sit, let the beginning, principium, and the end, this is neuter singular nominative, it's the subject of sit, here's the second subject of sit, masculine singular nominative, let the beginning and the end of one's actions, one's activities, feminine plural genitive, let them be Deus, God.